Welcome to Learn Polish Podcast, episode number 513. 513. I też jestem z moim synem Daniela. Daniela, no, Daniela, isn't it?
To jest dziewczyńskie.
And
Yes.
when I say I'm with my son Daniel, what way should I say it?
Jestem z moim synem Danielem.
Danielem. Okay,
Tak.
przepraszam. Jestem z moim synem Danielem. And co będzie rozmawiamy dzisiaj?
O jedzeniu w supermarkecie.
Okay. Dobrze. So, pierwsze is bread.
Chleb.
Chleb. And czasami może krojony? Is it
Można pokroić.
pokroić? To
Pokroić.
bread, yeah? Okay. Now there's milk.
Mleko.
Mleko. And there's different types of milk. There's like świeże, you know, the one we get in the glass. It's like
Świeże mleko.
it's like near pasteurized or something like that. Like, and następne is eggs.
Jajka.
Jajka. And też, bo może być jajka, jest numer na jajka, numer 3 jest niedobrze, bo jest like, kurczak jest bardzo, nie ma miejsca, to not space.
Jest w małej klatce.
Małe klasy. Numer 2 też, ale my kupimy jajka od
Rolnika.
farmer, so to jest organika, tak?
Tak.
Lepiej. Następne,
Co warzywa i owoce.
co to jest, ja wiedziałem, banana chyba, nie wiem, marchew, broccoli,
Tak.
broccoli.
Brokuł.
Is that a jabłka or pomidor?
Jabłko.
Jabłka, and I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
And then the next line is cereal,
Płatki.
płatki. So you can say płatki z mlekiem.
Tak.
Oh, cereal with milk. So dużo dzieci ma to, płatki z mlekiem, tak? Następnie jest puszka and pomidora. It's a can of tomatoes.
Troszkę z pomidorem.
And the next one is like, it looks like peas,
Groszki.
gruszki. And then we've got ser, cheese.
Tak.
Ryba is fish. And then mięso, meat.
Tak.
So, proszę, how would you ask for a kilo of fish?
Poproszę kilo ryby.
And 2 kilos of meat.
Proszę 2 kilo mięsa.
And then there's different types of meat. So you could say pig, wieprzowina, is it?
Wieprzowina.
And cow is wołowina. No. On the third line, we've got płyn do pralka.
Płyn do prania.
Pranie. It's like, it's the liquid for washing your clothes. Płyn do prania. And there's proszek też, powder, isn't it?
Proszę do prania.
No, but the next one is, I think it's for cleaning your, say, the kitchen. You know, the liquid we have is płyn do
Czyszczenia.
czyszczenia.
I-
Yeah. Płyn do czyszczenia. And then you could have a different one. Płyn do łazienka. It's like the term.
Do łazienki.
Okay. No, we've stuff that's niedobra, ale wszystko lubi chyba. Chips.
Chipsy.
Chipsy. Yeah. And I think we call them crisps in Ireland. I'm not sure about the rest of the country. But you po polsku again?
Chipsy.
Chipsy. And then the next one is snacks.
Przekąski.
What is it?
Przekąski.
Przeszkąsy.
O.
It's nowe dla mnie. Przeszkąsy.
Tak.
Trudny. And I don't know, is that the same? Przekąski, the last one, yeah? And then, so I suppose we're one more fit. What, we have our trolley, wózek, is it?
Tak. Wózek.
That. I mamy, what you call the bags that are kind of lifetime bags that we use. They're really good quality instead of the plastic one. Just tarda. Just a papiertobber is not all because it doesn't have the handle. And so we're going to pay kartę kredytowe, kartę debetowe, or gotówka. So
Bo jest
credit card,
blik.
week. So credit card, debit card, and yeah. No, so dziękuję bardzo.
Dziękuję.
So that's all for our Polish podcast. You can find all our episodes on polishpodcast.com. If anything, everything about me, if you want to start a podcast or do a podcast tour, just scan the QR code or go to icon.com. If you're looking for virtual assistants, and we do all social media stuff, we do websites and everything like that, go to va.world. And if you want to work on your brain, go to brainium.fitness. Sure to give us a thumbs up, 5-star rating, share it with your friends. Until next week, dziękuję bardzo i do widzenia.